This is Aschbach in northern Bavaria, Germany. This is the showroom of Concorde, which is located next to their production plant. This is their Charisma model, which I've actually filmed in the past, but this is the 2019 model. And today there's going to be a dealer meeting for Concorde, so there's only unfortunately 3 models in here because they need the space. I just turned up as I was driving down the motorway anyway, so it seemed like an occasion to actually film some things. I'm parked outside there. We've got this really nice Stellplatz. Aschbach's a lovely village to visit, certainly worth doing should you ever get the chance. And this is the vehicle in question. Now, whilst filming, they are obviously cleaning the place up for their meeting here, so there may be some disturbances such as hoovers and things of this nature. Right, so having said that, first of all, let's go into the vehicle. So it's got a queen bed at the back, as you will have noticed, and whilst I'm here at the front, I shall sit down in one of my favourite seats and I shall read you a little bit about the van itself. So it's 945 centimetres long, 240 wide, it's got a height of 359. On a 7.5 ton basis, it will give you 1,153 kilos of payload. The engine is a 205 horsepower, 151 kW, and you won't get much change from 300,000 euros. Now, Concorde, like all manufacturers at this level, will manufacture to order. So if there's something you don't like, such as the glass cabinet up there, they will change it for you. The layouts you see here are really just an idea. So this is the Charisma 920G, and the star point of this, of course, is that there's a garage in it, so you can carry a second car with you, or a car with you, because this isn't a car, is it? So there we have television coming through to the kitchen. This is seamless. It's got a large domestic plug hole, which you may notice. Bit up there for drainage, which makes sense. Domestic style water faucet. 3 burners. Place for your plants. Good idea. You can have that as a drop down coffee thing if you want. Or if you don't want, then don't. Drawers. We've got ambient lighting under the drawers, as you can see. Here we have the fridge, freezer, oven, hanging space, this is the dressing room in the van. You can close it off by a door there. There's no bed up there. Again, as I'm talking about things you could have, so you might want another bed up there over the cab. And so that's an option, I suppose, if you wanted it. And you've got more hanging space here, big mirror, which also is storage behind. Large tap, seamless sink and storage. Space there is for the sink, that's why that's like that. Now the bed is upper height. Why? Because there's a garage. Now the price of having a garage is that there's not much space in the bedroom itself. So where I'm standing now, plenty of head height. I've gone up the step and I'm crouching, but there's yet another step to go. So what's the height in the bedroom? Hard to say, but 150, something like that maybe. So you're going to be crouching in the bedroom. That's the price of having a car. Could they make the vehicle any bigger? I don't know, but in my opinion it's probably just about the maximum height you can get it for reasons of stability. I was talking to somebody on this subject last weekend, and for a 3.5 ton vehicle he thought that the absolute maximum is 320 in height. That's a 3.5 ton, not one on a chassis like this one is. But manoeuvring is a little bit difficult in this. Shower, domestic. Or domestic style anyway. Now if you've got a vehicle this size, you probably find that you're going to need a vehicle just to travel around with. So you have to park it outside. So there's the Hoover, it's off, and that's to be understood. I've just about finished anyway, and so what I'm now going to do is let's have some music on to see us out. I know lots of you like the music and I know one or two don't, so not much I can do about that except play something else, but this one seems to be popular, so I'll leave it on.